Hi friends, in this video we will going to know modern center table design with what is the price ranges of center tables. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So let's begin the video. So friends, a center table is by definition a table that you place in the center of the room. It serves as focal point and drawing the eyes towards of the middle of the space, and it is great opportunity to make the statement expressing your unique design and preferences and style. With center table is just as much about authentic appeal and practical, and the new addition also create enter of all other furnitures in your house. The kind of center table you choose will depend on the nature of your space. A living room center table will mostly likely take the form of a coffee table. This requires different considerations as center table to say hallway or entrance hall. Center table are key part of living room furniture. It's combining functionality with style. There are numerous types available across different price ranges. It's catering to the diverse need and preferences. In this video, we will know the what is the price for popular center table designs and types and their approximate price ranges. The first one is the wooden center tables. This material is made from sesame, teak or engineered wood. It's often with intricate carvings or smooth finishes. This price range is starting from 3,500 to 25,000. It's depending on craftsmanship and features and storage options. Example, simple designs like the Hammond coffee tables or intricate core tables are hardly. Simple wooden center tables are starting prices the 3,000 to 5,000 you will get, and but now I just explained the sesame wood or teak wood. This price is increasing the price and the length also it's depending. And another one is the glass top center tables. This materials is the tempered glass combined with metal or wooden frames. It's providing modern and sleek look. This table's price range is starting from 5,000 to 18,000. Examples, Alena glass coffee table price at 12,000. So it's depend on different types of brands and designs. And another one is the metal and marble tables. This typically with marble tops and metal bases offering the luxurious touch. This price range is starting from 10,000 to 30,000 is the high-end price. Popular choices Hobbo's marble table. This price range is 15,000, and multi-purpose center tables. These features are adjustable height, built-in storage for extended tops or added utility. This price range is starting from 8,000 to 25,000. Examples, that means I just say the high end price also and starting price, okay? And Escobar engineered wood coffee table is a 5,999 with storage option. And traditional Indian designs, these materials are hardwood with ornate carvings inspired by the Indian culture. This table's price range is starting from 10,000 to 40,000 is the high end price. Highlight often hand carved using teak or rosewood for timeless look. And sometimes people also ask where to buy we. Some online platforms is there for, especially in wooden furniture is available in the online platforms, and budget friendly options starting from 3,500 on popular websites like Flipkart and Amazon's. You can check out there, and each table can serve as focal point of your living space with features and tailored to the modern or traditional interiors. Let we know that if you are specific recommendations or links to purchase.